You keep telling yourself the same story. You just need more discipline, more motivation, more willpower. And every time you fail again, you blame yourself. But here's the truth most people never hear. Consistency is not a discipline problem. It is a design problem. You can want change badly and still stay stuck. You can work hard for weeks and still quit. Not because you're weak, but because your life is set up to pull you backwards. You are trying to win a battle while standing on the wrong battlefield. Most people rely on emotions to stay consistent. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel motivated. They wait for the perfect moment. But emotions are unstable. They change with sleep, stress, weather, and mood. When consistency depends on feelings, it collapses the moment life gets uncomfortable. Look at your environment. It is shaping you more than your intentions ever will. Your phone is always within reach. Distractions are endless. Comfort is easy. Discipline is hard. When the wrong choice is convenient and the right choice is difficult, consistency never survives. This is why you start strong and fade fast. The first days feel exciting, progress feels new. Then resistance shows up, boredom appears, results slow down. And without a system to carry you forward, you stop. Not because you decided to quit, but because stopping became easier than continuing. High performers understand something simple. They do not depend on discipline. They reduce the need for it. They remove friction from good habits and add friction to bad ones. They design routines that run even when motivation disappears. Consistency is built when actions become automatic, when the decision is already made, when there is no daily debate inside your head. The less you think, the more consistent you become. Thinking drains energy. Systems conserve it. Another hidden reason you struggle is identity. You are trying to act like someone you do not believe you are yet. You say you want to be disciplined, focused, and consistent, but deep down, you still see yourself as someone who quits. Every time things get hard, your old identity pulls you back. Consistency sticks when actions match identity. When you stop saying you're trying and start acting like this is simply who you are now. One small promise kept every day rewires how you see yourself, and once identity shifts, effort feels lighter. You also expect results too fast. You measure progress emotionally instead of objectively. If today feels hard, you assume it's not working. But real consistency is boring, it is repetitive, it feels ordinary, and that's why it works. The goal is not intensity, it is inevitability. Small actions done daily create pressure that cannot be stopped. You do not rise by doing something heroic once, you rise by doing something simple repeatedly. If you want consistency, stop asking how to push harder, ask how to make quitting harder. Change your environment, lock in routines, shrink the habit until failure feels silly. Track progress so effort becomes visible. Remove decisions wherever possible. Discipline is not the engine, it is the backup system. Design is the engine. And when your life is designed to support the person you want to become, consistency stops being a fight. You do not need a new personality, you need a better structure. Fix that, and consistency becomes the natural outcome, not a daily struggle you keep losing. And this matters more than you think. Because years pass quietly, days repeat without notice, and one day you wake up with proof that inconsistency has a cost. Lost confidence, missed opportunities, regret that cannot be negotiated with. The good news is simple. The moment you redesign how your life supports action, everything shifts. Consistency becomes quiet power, and quiet power compounds faster than motivation ever could. Fix the system, protect the process, and let time do the work. Because when consistency is designed, success stops being random and starts becoming the predictable result of who you choose to be starting today, without excuses.